it's General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have the Jordan 11 cap and gown, also known as the Prom Nights. Trader Joe's sent these over for a review, and I wanted to bring this one to y'all because this one reminds me a lot of another shoe that I love, Jordan 11 Gammas. Now the Gammas have a little bit of differences, but we'll get into all that. Before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, thumbs up the video, share it, all those good things that everybody else says in their videos. Please do that here. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Check out my Reels page, and make sure you guys follow us in the Discord for Where the Cops and all that good stuff. We got a good community in there. We try to help everybody find sneakers, find kicks, find clothes, anything. All right, so Jordan 11 cap and gown, also known as the Prom Night. I don't know the full history behind the shoe, but it has something to do with, you know, graduation and all of that other stuff. Let's just jump into it. I really like this one. It's kind of basic, not a lot going on with it, but we'll get to that. All right, so StockX and GOAT prices, they're hovering around like 600, somewhere between 550 and 600 for the resale. If that's what you guys want to do, you want to go on the resale market and grab these joints. I think it's a dope shoe, all black. It kind of reminds me of the Black Cats in a sense. Do I think it's worth 500 or 600, something like that? Probably not, but you know, to each his own. You guys spend your money how you like to, and if you really like this shoe, then go for it. So let's just jump into it. Upper is a nice suede material, very, very nice suede, and it has some good transition on it. You guys can see that. I'm moving that back and forth. Very, very nice. So no ballistic mesh on this. It's just like the cool gray. It's all suede on the upper, okay? And then you have that nice patent leather. You got some black patent leather right here, and it's cool. You know what I'm saying? Not bad if you want like an all black silhouette. Toe box looks pretty good. Nothing really to complain about around the toe box. It looks really nice. The midsole is black. We're really used to seeing that white midsole. Jordan 11s always have a white midsole or something like that, but this one has a black midsole just like the Gamma, so I like that. Jumpman symbol in the back. It's kind of like a little tab. I think this is more so like the tab that is on the 72 and 10s. It's a metal tab, and that kind of reminds me of the Jubilee 11s. If everybody's got the Jubilee 11s from last year, it's the same similar tab, except it's black, it's not silver. So that's pretty cool. Heel of the shoe has this 23 stitched. Another shoe that has the 23 stitched is the 72 and 10s. So we've seen that on the 72 and 10s. That stitching looks really nice. So, you know, this is an LJR batch, so it's really, really good. Outsole of the sneaker is a very nice smoked out, almost bluish, blackish outsole, and that's a really, really nice touch to this shoe. I always thought that it was a black outsole. I didn't think that it had like a bluish tinge to it, but now I can see, and I like how the pods are black. That's pretty dope. And then you got a little bit of that Jumpman sticking through right there, so that's pretty nice. There is our carbon fiber right there. The carbon fiber is black. I love how they made everything on the shoe virtually black. I think that's dope. Medial side of the shoe looks very, very similar to the lateral side of the shoe. Nothing to complain about there. There is a higher cut of patent leather on this joint. I remember the old lower style of patent leather. That cut was a lot nicer to me, but you know, this style has grown on me. It's a lot chunkier of a patent leather cut, but it's not too bad. Laces of the shoe are a little different than what we're accustomed to getting. We're usually accustomed to getting those rope style type of laces, but this lace in this specific shoe is very similar to the tassels on top of a cap. Like when you graduate from school, this is like very, very similar in terms of that. That's what that design is. And they don't give you extra laces with these, but it's still cool. It's a nice little touch. It's definitely different, and they have a nice little feel to them. It feels very premium. Third spacing on our shoe looks pretty good. You know, it's kind of funny. It kind of looks blacked out and smoked out just like the Black Cat 4s, so that's a similarity right there. The height of the tongue looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it's too bad right there. It doesn't look like it's too short. It doesn't look like it's too high, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. Behind the tongue of the shoe, we have the quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever right there, and that looks pretty clean. I like that. It looks like it's cut a little rough right here. like it might be a little crooked. It's definitely kind of leaning off to the side a little bit, but it's not too bad though. It doesn't really bother me. We do have the black polyurethane or plastic shoe tree, and it's got a little sparkle in it. I think you guys can see that little sparkle right there when I twist it right there. So that's not too bad right there. These come with some of the Jordan 11s. Insole of the shoe looks pretty good. It's all black right here, but it's not a polyurethane insole. It's kind of strange. It's like a weird, sticky, I guess you can say it's a foam. This is like a foam insole. So definitely not the standard polyurethane that we're used to getting in a Jordan 11. So this is kind of cheap. I mean, this is flimsy. It feels okay, but I would rather have the original polyurethane insole. But I'll probably switch this one out for maybe a shoe that I'm not wearing right now. So overall, the shoe looks pretty good. Not too bad. I'm actually kind of satisfied with these joints. I really like these. These are clean. Not a bad look from my guy Trader Joe's. I'm definitely satisfied with what he sent. For an LJR batch, the only thing that looks like it was off was the insole of the shoe. So I'm pretty satisfied. I'm pretty satisfied. If I had to rate these on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably give these, for the colorway, I'd give it a 7, just because it's an all black shoe. It's nothing really too special. But for construction and materials used, I'll probably give it a 8.5, 9. The insole really was a bummer for me. I thought we were gonna have the normal insole for these, the polyurethane joint, and to see that foam insole, it's like not good points on that LJR right there. But everything else checks out. The suede's good, the patent leather's good, the outsole's good, it fits true to size, so not bad. And that's all I got for these ones, y'all. So until the next review, y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you. Peace.